of the starter CAD PC series. Today we are just going to be setting up Ubuntu. So as you can see from the last video, I haven't done anything. I just made sure that I could get into the system. But this is the first thing that popped up. It's welcome to Ubuntu 25.04. And so we'll probably go through the release notes. We may set up OBS. We may just do updates. Like this is just basically like new to Ubuntu. Like I have some experience with Linux. I have some experience with, I have a little experience with Ubuntu. I have some experience with Debian, which is what Ubuntu is based on. So yeah, we'll just be setting stuff up, like getting a browser, doing stuff that. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the chat, or rather the, what's it called? So the first thing I'm going to do before I do this is I'm actually going to get us to, I'm just going to set up chat. I can see when people are chatting because this is a stream. So if you're seeing this later, then this doesn't make sense to you. But I am going to be, this is the first time this computer has seen YouTube, at least in its current incarnation. So yeah, I just have live chat set up so that when people talk, I can see what's going on. Okay. View release notes. So the first thing, I think actually before we even do anything else, I am going to get a browser. So I don't know where anything is in this. I'm not used to the Ubuntu UI. I've used App Center. Okay, maybe App Center. I've used I'm just going to search shell. I've used Ubuntu as the snap packages. So snap is Ubuntu's package manager. I've used Ubuntu in the command line, but I have not used Ubuntu, the graphical user interface. So all this stuff. All right, here's terminal. So just bottom left, show apps, and then terminal. So now we have a terminal window, which is great because, you know, that's how we do stuff. Okay, I want the Brave browser. So I just want a browser that's not Firefox. I don't know, does Ubuntu have, I guess I'll check what browsers it has already. Is this an App Center browser? Brave, OBS, Chromium, Firefox. Okay, I think the App Store is kind of like, reminds me of like, I don't know. I'm wondering what's actually on the computer though. Like, where do I see what's on this computer? So I went to Files, and I feel ridiculous right now. Hi, Estronecall. Welcome to the stream. All right, maybe I should just go through the actual release thing before I go to Brave. I really want to, like, oh, these are release notes, right? I really want to manage your tracker settings, essential, do essential. Yeah, I don't know if we'll go through release notes. Release notes are something that's like, it's basically like when there's an update, what changes, but y'all probably know that. I'm just being explicit because, all right, so we don't need the release notes. What about welcome to Ubuntu? Next. This is the, all right. Help us improve our sharing system data. That's one of the things that your machine model includes software and location user. We're not going to share system data for now. Get started with more applications. Interesting. It's like weird for me to download something from an app center, but I guess we'll do that. We'll look for Brave, and we will install Brave. See, it says the megabyte. It says the megabytes. It says the license, last published version. This App Store doesn't seem bad. I've heard bad things about Snap, so I'm like kind of waiting for whatever the shoe is to drop with Snap. We use Brazer right now. Ooh, I gotta. Do you have grounded? What does that mean, Yapper? I think I'm gonna kill video for a second while I type in my password. And after I type in my password, we will go back to the stream. No, I don't have the game grounded. Maybe I'll check it out later. What makes you ask? Okay. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna turn the video for a second so that y'all can't see my password. And then we will be back in action. Back in action. This computer already just feels so great. It just feels good. Feels fast. All right, authenticate. All right, say about. It's on my channel. All the videos are in a playlist, and you can see the series. Grounded video game. Let's check this out real quick. A survival game. I haven't played many survival games. IGN. They make Fortnite, I think. It looks Fortnite-y to me. Images. Nintendo? Yeah. That's what happens when a game gets really big. Everything starts to look like it. Okay, we have Brave now. So how do we... Where is Brave on my machine? Let's try that. Where is... Well, let's just see... The where is command actually works. Development, games, manage. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Manage installed snaps. Let's open Braid. Okay, so from manage we can open programs. All right, now that we have let's copy. Now that we have a browser, what was I gonna do? I've totally just lost my train of thought. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, something I already love about Ubuntu is when it went to sleep, it didn't just turn off all at once, and then I would have had to like, maybe type in my password or something. Like, it just slowly got a little bit darker. Like it would get darker and darker and darker, so I could see and then I could click and make it happen. All right, so caps lock. What to do when you freshly install Ubuntu? The camera's in my way right now. It's making me type slower. Let's see if I can. How to Ubuntu system to ensure you have the latest security patch and software. This we use the software for All right, so sudo apt upgrade. That's fine. Well, like I always forget if it's sudo apt upgrade or update. Those are like slightly different, I guess, or and honestly, I don't think I care enough to like figure that out right now, even though I probably should. So we're just gonna go to the terminal. That's what I want to do. We just want to like update our system. Okay, so if you click on things from the side here, it doesn't open a new one. That's different from the NixOS thing I've been using. Yapper, the other thing is about the computers in the description, all the info. Okay, so sudo apt update. It's going to want me to type in my password again. And just trying to see. Let's see here. I don't want anybody to see my password. All right, give me a second. I gotta type in my password again. I never know the correct level of. It's like hard to know the correct level of paranoia for people seeing your info and stuff, right? B. Well, you know my password starts with a B, I guess. What? I got my password wrong. Oh, great. Okay, cool. All right, so we are in, and okay, so basically, it just I ran that command, and 88 packages can be upgraded. Run app list upgradable to see them. That's a lot of stuff, man. That is a lot of stuff. Okay, so sudo apt update, I guess, runs. That's weird. I thought that was actually going to update because there's also like sudo apt install. There's lots of different sudo apt things, or apt things. Sudo is just what you run to be able to like run things as root. It's basically like gives you permissions. These are, yeah, whatever. So I'm trying to remember how to update all the packages. We'll just update everything. So sudo apt upgrade. All right, so yeah, this is that it relies on. It looks like, Python 3. And this isn't really good stuff always to show. Like this is, I'm just showing stuff on Ubuntu, but packages are vulnerabilities. So like, you don't really want people to know what's on your system. So it's asking me yes or no. And it's saying download size 75 megabytes. I'm just going to say yes. Because let's see if I think so. So I'm just rusty. I've been using Nix, which is awesome, but it has its downsides, I guess, right now. All right, after that, I guess it's weird. Like I was going to do this whole tutorial on like how to download OBS, and now it's like it's so easy on Ubuntu, right? Like I was like, oh, I'm going to go to the website. It's going to be a thing. Well, this is OBS unofficial. Interesting. Huh. I may actually have to look this up off stream. Relational database. And it's open source. There's all this different stuff that's in the Snap Store. OBS CLI. It's very odd to me that it's unofficial. I don't understand the Snap Store. I don't understand this operating system very well. So I download OBS by doing this. And I don't think I'm going to do it right now, but I'm going to tell you or this is one way to download it that is or to get it, right? You could build it from the source. So I went to obsproject.com, or I searched OBS. I assume that's the website. And then you can basically go to build instructions, right? That's if you want to build it. Download on FlatHub if you're using FlatHub. And then, Ubuntu instructions. Interesting. I wonder if it read my distro somehow. I feel like it did. Run these commands to install OBS Studio on Ubuntu via the official PPA. Sudo add apt repository PPA project OBS Studio sudo apt update. Okay, so you're just using the app package manager. It's just like Debian. So yeah, so that's probably, I'll probably just run that next stream. This is a short stream because I have other things to do today. But I just wanted to show people what was up for the people that are following this this playlist, and yeah, I'm really excited about the future streams to come. So I'm gonna get off right now, but thank you for tuning in. Check out my channel if you want, like it if this was helpful, and subscribe if you want to see future vids. All right, peace out, Cub Scouts.